Thank you. Okay, boys and girls. So as we had already discussed, right, we're working on our new science program, okay? And our objective for today, Arabella, can you turn and read what this says right here?
I can ask questions about the Grand Canyon's
Distinctive features, that's a big one.
distinctive features by looking closely at images of the
Grand Canyon. Excellent, thank you. So we already talked about those distinctive features being something that is different or unusual that we can see and observe. And the different images we might be looking at might be photographs or videos or even a painting. Okay, so today we're going to be talking a little bit about somebody going on an adventure. Is there anybody here who has ever been on an adventure? Okay, Juliet, give me a quick example of an adventure you've been on.
When I went to Maryland, I went hiking with my uncle and cousins. We saw many different animals. We got to step in lakes and
We are focusing on our phenomenon question, right? This is our big question that we're going to be looking to answer through this whole unit. Jacob, would you read what this says to me?
what can we discover in an unknown canyon?
Yes, what can we discover in an unknown canyon? And we already talked about the word phenomenon. Jonathan, what does this say?
As unusual or remarkable event or
Occurrence.
that can be observed.
Something amazing that you don't see every day, correct? Right? And we know that a canyon, Juliet, what is canyon? What does
A
it say?
deep, narrow valley surrounded by tall cliffs.
Excellent. So yes, and we're looking at these pictures, right? So remember when we read about John Wesley Powell, right? So now we're going to look at some of the pictures that John Wesley Powell has discovered on his trip into what he called the Great Unknown. So boys and girls, I want you to take a moment to look at this picture, look closely at it, and then I'm going to give you a few seconds to turn and talk and tell your partner what you notice and wonder. Boys and girls, remember, we notice something that we see with our own eyes, and a wonder is a question. Okay, take a minute. Okay, Melissa? Oh, you're noticing this stick in his hand. Does that help him push the boat along the river? Maybe. So listen, I know some of you still have some more, but we're going to take a minute to just jot down on your paper, okay, one or two things that you notice and wonder. So go ahead and jot something down on your paper, what you're noticing and wondering. It could be the same thing we already said, or maybe it's something different. Go ahead and jot it on your paper.